AVPRO is proud to present this GULFSTREAM G450, serial number 4058. The G450 stands out as one of the top large-cabin, long-range business jets in its class, a direct descendant of the renowned G4 series, one of the best-selling business jets globally. It offers an impressive range of up to 4,350 nautical miles. Additionally, its plain view cockpit is widely regarded as one of the most advanced flight decks in business aviation. Serial number 4058 has had new paint, Permagard, and an interior completed in 2024 by West Star Aviation. Experience exceptional comfort with this meticulously designed 14-passenger interior, featuring a forward galley and fire-blocked cabin. The layout includes a forward 4-place club seating area, a mid-cabin 4-place conference group opposite a credenza, and an aft cabin offering a 2-place club across from a fully berthable 4-place divan, perfect for long-haul relaxation. Enhancing privacy and convenience are forward crew and aft passenger lavatories, pocket doors separating the galley and mid-cabin, a dedicated crew jump seat, and sleek electric window shades for effortless light control and ambiance. Serial number 4058 boasts an exceptional ownership pedigree and engines enrolled on Rolls-Royce corporate care. Additional features include Starlink satellite connectivity, Honeywell plane view system, and Synthetic Vision Primary Flight Display 2.0. The GULFSTREAM G450, serial number 4058, presented exclusively by AVPRO. AVPRO, celebrating 30 years of excellence.